One of the tools that is widely used in the utilities is the work order tool. To use this tool, the first thing we'll come to the layer setting and make sure that layer is turned on. So I'll come in here and left click and close the layer settings. Anywhere that we need to mark work that is being done, and this could be anything that you want to keep track of. It could be leaks, just clean outs, anything that you're marking that you want to keep track of, you can keep track of that with the work order layer. To use this tool, we'll come to the top here, the work order button, select that, and it puts a kind of a box around the cursor, and we'll use the scroll wheel to resize that. So at some point, if there was we'll say maybe a soft spot here in the ground, we know that we now have a sanitary line running along here. Yeah, we could click here and say maybe there's a soft spot that doesn't smell all that great. Left click, and it snaps a picture in here of the area that we clicked on. From here we can hit the pull down and determine what department is this for, and in this case it'd be sanitary, but all of these pull down menus can be customized to whatever you need. Issued by whoever takes the phone call about this, you can put their names in here. Instructions, might be maybe a possible leak. If we click on the photo itself, we get a menu up here where we can kind of add we can add text to the picture, or kind of get the marker out here and maybe mark it and just say the area is right there. From here, once that's finished, we'll hit OK, and then I'll right click to clear my cursor. And as we see, it did put a point out on the map with the number of that work order. Down the road, once that's taken care of, we can just double click, open that work order up again, come down, put in the date completed, under supervisor, if there's a few different people that may have done this work, put their names in here, just click on whoever did the work. Any possible post-work notes that can be done, put those in, hit OK, and from here that point is going to be out on the map until you delete it. So over time these points will kind of build up, and a majority of the time you wouldn't have this layer necessarily turned on. You would just kind of have a little point like there if you did have it turned on, but you would kind of only turn it on when you were specifically working with that layer, or when you need it. But over time, as you keep putting in your work orders and marking everything that you've done, you may see some areas that have multiple points in the same area, and you kind of say, well, we've been here a few times over the last couple of years. Here you'd have all of the notes readily available of everything that you've done, and it's just a very good and very easy way to build a running history of all the work that you're doing.
We hope you found this training session beneficial and to your liking. If you have further questions, please contact us at 888-225-5984 or email us at support@wthgis.com.